Hello, this is James Pelton, and I just wanted to put together a quick video showing how you can make your replicated paparazzi website a little easier for people to find. So first off, in case you didn't know it, every paparazzi consultant receives a copy of the Paparazzi Accessories website. So this is going to be paparazziaccessories.com/ and then your consultant ID. So anyone can go to this website and it's an exact copy of the Paparazzi website, except for if people shop, they click shop or they join your team, it gives you credit since they use your consultant ID. So if they shop around using your Paparazzi website, you get credit for those sales if they buy something. Okay, so you want to be sharing this link with people. You want people to be coming to this link and joining your team and shopping. Now, unfortunately, this URL, paparazziaccessories.com/ then a bunch of numbers, 231360. I'm using my friend Audrey as an example here. That's not very easy to remember. It doesn't look very professional. You know, if you're out talking with someone and you say, hey, visit my website, and they say, oh, what's your website? And you say, paparazziaccessories.com/ 231360. They're going to say, okay, that doesn't sound real legitimate. They're not going to remember even what you said. It looks kind of unprofessional to put that on your business cards as your website. So Paparazzi includes one easy way to get around this. If you go into your back office here, again, I'm in Audrey's account here, and you go over to the right-hand side to the profile button there, and you click on My Profile. That'll take you to this page here. Then you can click Edit My Profile. It's the top option on the left navigation there. And you'll see there's a text box here for replicated site. And what Paparazzi allows you to do is you can put a word there that will replace the random numbers here. That is your consultant ID. So in Audrey's case, and it has to be a word that no one else has used. So you can't use like Audrey's, probably already been taken by another consultant named Audrey. So we put in Audrey Nicholson here, and you go down to the bottom and click Save. And then when you go to paparazziaccessories.com/ Audrey Nicholson, now it's a copy of that same page with the consultant ID in there. So for now, the URL is a little bit nicer. Okay, now it's paparazziaccessories.com/ Audrey Nicholson. And so that's a little easier for people to remember. It looks a little bit more professional. So everyone should probably have a word there that they've put in their settings to make that website easier for people to get to. And it's free. So there's really no excuse for doing that step. If you want to take this one step further, what a lot of consultants do is they also purchase a domain name and have that forward to their replicated website. So what a domain name is it's just like a .com. So I'm going to show you how to do that here real quick. It's real affordable. It doesn't cost very much. So if you go to GoDaddy.com, okay, that's kind of the most popular place to buy domain names. And you search here for a domain name. And again, it has to be something that no one else has taken. So again, Audrey.com is not going to work. That's been taken. But AudreyNicholson.com, I'm guessing, is probably available here. So you search for it, and then yes, it is available. And you can see it's $12 a year, so that's about $1 a month. So that's not, that's not too expensive, $1 a month. And you click Add to Cart, and I'm not going to do it here. I think you can figure that part out. But you continue to your cart. You go ahead and purchase this domain name. So now you own that .com. Okay, you own AudreyNicholson.com or BlingWithCarol.com or whatever domain name you decided to use. Now, the part that people have a hard time with is now, how do I get my domain name that I own here on GoDaddy to point to my paparazzi website? So I want to show you how to do that here real quick. It's very easy. It doesn't take really any technical knowledge at all. But if you go to your GoDaddy profile now, so it's that figure in the upper right corner with your name there. For me, it's James Pelton. And you go to My Products. So it's in the third column there at the top. And this will show you a list of all the domain names that you have purchased. And I have 4 domains on this account. I own a lot of domain names. I'm a tech guy. You'll probably just have the one domain name that you just purchased. So again, blingwithcarol.com or audreynicholson.com. So what you need to do is go to the domain name you just purchased and click DNS. DNS, domain name server. It's a tech thing. You don't have to worry about it. Just click DNS for the domain name that you want to get set up. And then there's going to be a lot of technical mumbo jumbo up at the top. And just ignore all this. Ignore records. Ignore name servers. Don't touch anything there. Go down to the bottom and you'll see there's a forwarding box there. Now, forwarding is what we actually want to do, right? We want to forward our domain name to our Paparazzi replicated website. So right now under forwarding, it says domain not set up. So I click add, and then don't get intimidated by this box. It's not too bad. But now go to your Paparazzi website and copy the URL there. Okay, and leave off you see the HTTPS at the beginning. Leave that off. And then in here you want to forward to and change it to HTTPS because that's where your Paparazzi website is. And then paste the URL that you copied from your Paparazzi replicated website. So I put in there paparazziaccessories.com/Audrey Nicholson. And you can click preview if you want, just to make sure you put the right thing in there. And see, it took me to Audrey's replicated website. So I know, okay, I put the right URL in there. And then what you want to do is don't mess, the forward type should be permanent because you want this to always go there, not just for a little while. And then don't worry about the settings, just leave it on forward only. But then I do want you to checkbox the update my name servers and DNS settings to support this change. Okay, you don't need to worry about what that does behind the scenes. Basically, it makes all the settings up here be what they need to be to make this work okay. So you just do those things. Change this to HTTPS, put in your URL, leave your forward type as permanent, leave forward only, checkbox update my name servers and DNS settings to support this change, then you can click save. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Then exit out of the screen and you never have to come back here again. And it'll take about probably 20 minutes for GoDaddy to kind of update their systems. But then when you go to your domain name, which I didn't actually purchase audreynicholson.com, so we aren't going to test it here. But if you go to that domain name, it will redirect you to paparazziaccessories.com/your version of the website. So now you have a domain name. So when people ask, well, what's your website? You can say it's audreynicholson.com. And that instantly looks a little bit more professional. It looks a lot better when you put it on a business card or if you make a flyer or something like that. audreynicholson.com looks a lot better. So it's about $1 a month to set that up. So hope that you set that up. Everyone should for sure at least go into their Paparazzi settings because it's free and change the replicated site. But if you're feeling ambitious, feel like spending an extra $1, you should go ahead and do the domain name also. And if you run into any problems during this process or something wasn't clear, go ahead and let me know. Me or one of our support team would love to help you get that set up. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope that that brings you some more sales. Thank you so much.